Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Audi R8 in Midnight Club. Originally, obtaining this sleek vehicle involved a unique process tied to the Rockstar Games social club. Players had to register their game account online and then complete a series of 12 challenging driving tests. These tests tracked various in-game statistics, pushing you to master different aspects of driving across the city. It was a dedicated effort to add this high-performance car to your garage. The original challenges were quite extensive, requiring significant playtime and skill. For instance, you needed to accumulate a total of 5,000 miles driven across the city. Another task involved performing 5,000 special moves, like Zone, Aggro, or Emp. Success also hinged on winning 25 races consecutively, a true test of your racing prowess. Additionally, destroying 250 cars was part of the criteria, encouraging aggressive driving tactics to meet the requirements. Unfortunately, the original method for unlocking the Audi R8 is no longer viable. The online services for the Rockstar Games social club, which hosted these specific driving challenges, have been discontinued. This means that new players cannot achieve the R8 through the intended in-game progression or online tracking. Consequently, the car is not available for purchase in the dealership under normal circumstances, making it a rare sight for many players today. For those determined to drive the Audi R8, alternative methods have emerged, primarily through game file modification. Players can edit specific game files, such as the dealership listing, to make the R8 available for purchase directly in the in-game garage. Once unlocked this way, you can acquire the car for approximately $118,000. This approach is most commonly utilized by players on PC emulators or those with modded consoles, allowing them to finally experience this iconic vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.